and Grey Hat. I built a recruitment assistant designed to streamline your workflows. I'm going to walk you through it as we go through the demo because we don't really have enough time. 11:23, and this is a long demo. So I'm going to say I'm hiring an AI engineer. This Google Drive link contains all the resumes, and we're going to give it a Google Drive link really quickly. And then we're going to say, go through all of these and give us a brief summary and some vital information for all of these candidates present in the folder that we just gave. So what this is going to do is call a custom MCP, as you can see, and it's going to start downloading the resumes. And after it starts downloading it, it's going to pass it through a Mistral OCR model, which is state-of-the-art, best of its kind right now. And then it's going to pass that markdown formatted text back to the illegal agent, which is going to summarize each candidate for us. So now, due to lack of time, we're already made a decision that when we get these candidates, we're going to choose Akib because he's the best at external integrations with AI. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to perform a LinkedIn analysis on Akib's profile. So we already got his LinkedIn username over here, as we can see. And we're going to say perform a LinkedIn analysis on his profile, and his username is Akib Nazar, as we just got from here. And this is going to, what it's going to do is Rapid API is going to be called. It's going to get all the information to another LLM, which is going to summarize it and give it back to the illegal agent. And this helps reduce the tokens as well for illegal agents, so the context doesn't get lost. Here we get a brief summary. We can also do something for his LinkedIn profile posts, his profile reactions, but since we don't have enough time, we're going to skip that right now. Instead, we're going to perform a pre-screening interview call right on Akib's phone and try to get him to join our company. So we're going to perform a pre-screening interview call. We gave him a number. We gave the illegal agent a number, and it said it's initiated it. So now we're just going to get a call at any moment. Should be here at any moment. Yep, there we go. So it's running.
Account. You can remove this message.
Hello, this is Omni Recruiter AI from Illegal Agents Grey Hat. For a pre-screening interview call. Are you ready to begin?
Actually, I'm not. I don't want to. I don't want this job. I already have a job. So thank you very much.
No problem. No worries at all. It sounds like you've got. Hello, this is Omni Recruiter AI
Okay, so
from
it's
Illegal Agents
messing up a bit right now.
This will bore a pre-screening interview call.
I just said I don't want this. I don't want this job. I already have a job. Thank you very much.
No problem at all. It sounds like you've got things sorted on your end. If you change your mind or ever need a virtual chat buddy to discuss potential opportunities,
all right,
you know where to find me.
We're gonna cut the call. We don't want Akib doesn't want to talk to the agent anymore. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna say, give me a summary analysis on this call, because as a recruiter, I don't know what just happened, right? So I'm just gonna paste this message, and what's gonna happen now? So right now, Vapi and Twilio combined forces to make and made a custom MCP, and this is called Akib. And now we did the same thing over here, and we can see that the call was a pre-screening interview. Akib stated twice he already has a job, is not interested in the opportunity, and the AI acknowledges responses and finished the conversation. But we're not done. We're not done yet. What we want to do is create a GitHub repository for Akib, but this repository is already created, so it's going to say that it's already there. So yep, there we go. We're going to try another name. We're going to say do it with this repository. There we go. So it's going to make this repository just right now, as you can see, and we're going to send an email to Akib really quickly. I'm going to say, can you do this project really quickly? If you do, we're going to pay you a higher salary. It's the last chance to get hired. So we're just going to send that email, and we're going to sign off as Omni. And yep, actually, that's right. We're just going to send that. And yep. And this should be able to send the email. We just sent an email to Akib, and we're gonna go here. We're gonna see if it was just sent. As you can see, at 11:28 it was, and it gave us this GitHub repository link and sign it off. And that's pretty much the gist of my MCP agent. If you want more details, go to the GitHub repository. I designed a total of 9 MCPs. 7 of them were customs, 2 of them were open source. The details are written all over here. Thank you so much, and goodbye.